Hi, everyone. I would like to show an example of how to reference the problems from homework and use the equation editor here in Canvas. So when you're doing homework in my math lab, at the top of the screen, there's the name of the homework. So homework section 3.3. Then it tells you which exercise you're on. So we're on question 4. And then over here on the left, there's a question identifier. And this is really important to keep track of in your math notebook because when you do quizzes or the exams, you will often see these same questions again. And so if you have organized your math notebook and labeled your work with these question identifiers, you'll be able to go right back in your notebook to see an example of how to work out the problem, and you'll be able to use that for upcoming assessments. Okay, so I'm going to use that information when I write my post. This is homework section 3.3. So I'm going to go up here and make a new post. And I'm going to say homework 3.3. I'm on question number 4, and it's 3.3.17. Okay, and then I can say, hi, everyone, et cetera, et cetera. If I want to put in an equation, I can go to Insert, Equation, and then I can use these tools here to make fractions. I can do exponents by hitting the superscript key on my keyboard. And you can do all sorts of things, including square roots and whatnot. So this is really important because our current chapter of study has lots of formulas, and it's really important to use the correct notation so that we can communicate correctly. Okay, I'm going to post that, and I know I made a silly post there, but the reason why those subject lines are important, it's because if you're in the forum and we have a very big discussion forum with lots of posts, you want to hit collapsed replies, and then you can scroll down through and look for questions and answers on a particular homework that you might be struggling with or curious about, and it can also help you figure out which questions have already been selected so that you choose new content for our form. We want to just post as many ideas that are helpful for the entire class. So try not to duplicate questions if possible.